Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my spearmint tea iced shampoo for maximum hair growth. There are so many hair growth benefits to icing your scalp as well as using spearmint. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So if you guys have never iced your scalp, it is something I started doing on all of my wash days, and the benefits have been absolutely amazing. So when the scalp is exposed to cold temperatures, blood vessels constrict and dilate, which increases blood flow to the scalp. This increased blood flow can help stimulate the hair growth by providing essential nutrients to the hair follicles. Ice therapy can also reduce breakage and split ends. This is often done with patients who are going through chemotherapy to reduce hair loss. So I'm using spearmint tea today, and it is my favorite tea to drink. I drink about 3 cups a day. I really love tea. So spearmint actually balances oil production, stimulates hair growth, and moisturizes the hair. It can also treat hair loss and add shine. So of course you're going to start off by making the tea. You're going to boil some water. Depending on how many ice cubes you want to make is how much water you're going to use. I also drink this tea, so I used about 0.6 liters. Then you're going to go ahead and put the tea in the hot water and let it sit. And you're going to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I always let my tea sit because they say it's most beneficial to let it sit for a while to get all of the benefits. And also I want it to cool down before I put it in the soap formers. So a very important thing you're going to need is a soap making kit. This is called a silicone soap mold, and you can find it on Amazon. I'll put the link below. I'm not making soap, but I'm just making ice cubes with this. But you can make soap with this as well if you are interested in doing that. I can make a video on that as well. Also, sorry if my voice sounds funny. I'm coming down with a cold, so sorry about that. So while the tea is sitting, I'm going to go ahead and also make my black rice water shampoo ice cubes. And I love putting my shampoo into ice cubes and doing it on my scalp. It just feels so good, so refreshing. And it really does an amazing job at stimulating the scalp. So I like to do this on wash day as well. So you can just go ahead and put the rice water shampoo, a few pumps into the soap mold, and you only need a few pumps because you're going to fill the rest up with water. Okay, so you guys see the holes where the soap mold is. So basically you just want to fill the shampoo up where these holes are no longer showing, and then you're going to fill the rest of the mold up with water. So about 3 pumps each mold should do the job. And I also have a huge announcement. So MiriamHampton.com has just released our Happy Hair Growing 10-week routine. So end the year off right. And this is a easy to follow routine, step by step. I tell you what products to use, expert tips, and you will see your hair transform in only 10 weeks. And of course, for watching today's video, you can use the code YouTubeFam for 25% off the entire MiriamHampton.com site. Most of our products are back in stock. We have our full Shebe collection that is now back in stock, no wait shipping. And for all orders over $300, we are giving away a free gift. So you can shop all of your hair growth needs at MiriamHampton.com. All right, so moving on to the tea. The tea is now ready to be put into the soap mold. And then I always put a little bit of our hair growth oil. I put this in everything, honestly. But this is the original Miriam Hampton hair growth oil. And I will put a few drops of this into the mold as well. Go ahead and pop that into the freezer and wait about an hour. It took about an hour for it to freeze. And then it was ready to be used. So this is how it looks coming out of the mold, and it feels so cold and it just looks so cute. I was so excited to use it on my hair because my hair was dying for a treatment. So first things first, I will use the spearmint tea one, and I will just apply that directly to my scalp. Just massage that into my scalp. It feels so amazing. Like, if you guys have never tried ice therapy for your hair, for your scalp, just give it a try, and it's really life-changing. And I always feel like my curls pop more whenever I do this as well. So it's really an amazing treatment to increase blood flow in the scalp. And y'all already know, when the blood is flowing, the hair is growing. And I also use it on the length of my hair as well, because it's supposed to help split ends and breakage. After that, I go in with the rice water shampoo. And as you can see, this one is shampoo, so it's going to be more suds, and it really is going to clean the scalp properly. You guys know how I feel about black rice. The hair growth properties are amazing, and all of our products are all natural. So the benefits that natural things do for your hair, for your body, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this to my scalp, and just go ahead and, like, I'm washing my hair as normal, and massage that scalp. And after rinsing all of that out and conditioning, this is how my hair is looking. And I can already tell that my curls are gonna look so amazing, if I do say so myself. But yeah, that is about it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have tried ice therapy for your hair, let me know how you like it down below in the comment section. Give me a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care. Shop all of your hair growth needs at miriamhampton.com, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.